Video, we're following our training up with exercise 11. We're going to study the commands circle, dimensions, circular pattern, and tangent. I bet you've heard of them before, and this one's easy. You'll see. Open a new drawing and select the command arc circle. And from the origin point, we're opening a circle with radius 87. Select arc circle again at the same central point of our last circle. However, this one will have a radius of 100. Habilitate the command line like this, and we'll also habilitate the command quadrant on OSNAP, selecting this point of the bigger circle. Now we're drawing a line with measure 5. Habilitate arc circle again, and the central point will be the end point of this line we just made, and its radius will be 5. From here, we're selecting this circle geometry, and we'll apply the command circular pattern, and then use the center of the bigger circle as the center of our operation. On this information box, we first add the angle, and in this case, as we want this repetition on the whole circle, we're adding an angle of 360 degrees. Okay? Like this. And as the gear will have 35 teeth, we're adding 35 as total. Let's keep same angle checked and click on OK. All right. So now we're selecting the command 3 circle entities and habilitate the command tangent as well. Now click on the circle with a radius of 5 that we just made, and we're repeating it. Habilitate tangent and click on the circle, as you can see. And now there's a new circle, which we're adding a radius of 4. A bit confusing, I know, but it will all make sense. Don't worry. Right here, we're using circular pattern again, with an angle of 360 degrees and a total of 35. Habilitate line partial erase, and let's erase some of the parts until it gets to this shape here, like a wave. See? And we'll delete all the other circles, leaving only the bigger ones. We'll select that geometry and use the circular pattern just like before. Now we can erase the circle with a radius of 200, and we're drawing the remaining circles, including this one with a radius of 65 that is on our center line. To draw the 6 circles that are on the gear, we're going to habilitate the arc circle, and then quadrant, so we can have it as the center of our circle. We'll select this circle right here and make a circular pattern. The angle is the same, 360 degrees, and the total will be set as 6. We're almost done. There are just a few more steps. Let's draw those center lines, okay? Habilitate center line and select double, setting our geometry center. Now, using standard, we're selecting the pitch of the tooth of this gear and go to the center. To draw those lines forming an X, with standard activated, we'll select from center to center. As you can see in our reference image, there is a detail on the teeth, right? So to draw it, we're going to select the lines we want to have in that detail and just use the command copy. Now we're giving it a reference point and position the detail wherever we want. Easy. To close this geometry, we're drawing a line without a determined shape, and we'll use the command spline, clicking on the initial point. Create those curves, and after getting to the end point, we'll select Finish. Add the center lines on the detail and quote it all until the drawing looks like our reference image. Well, guys, that's it for today. Remember to subscribe, click the notification bell to receive our alerts for our weekly training videos.